Hello everyone, I thought I'd just jump back with a slightly new and improved way to install Supernatural VR for the Oculus Quest. For all of those who don't live in the US, you should be able to use this way to play it pretty much worldwide, as long as you've got a stable internet connection. Um, this should work for both the 1, 2, and 3 MetaQuest. The only things we'll need is SideQuest installed on a laptop, PC, whatever you can connect your Quest to. If you don't know what SideQuest is or how to install it, a quick YouTube or a Google, you'll find a plethora of videos on how to do it. It takes you sort of 5 minutes, very easy process. And the second thing we'll need is a VPN application. You can use whatever one you want. It's preferably one where you can find an APK file for it. Some providers, such as NordVPN, do provide it, which makes the whole process a lot easier. But yeah, other than that, that's all you really need. Let's get cracking. So, as I mentioned, we're using NordVPN mainly because I use it for a handful of other network services, and they do make it very easy to download the APK file. So if we just head to their website, go to Android, and a nice little blue download button for the APK. It's a very tiny file. Once that's done, we can then open up our side quest. Make sure your quest is connected at this point. You should see the green dot in the top left hand corner if it is, and in the top right you should see a little box with a downwards arrow. Click this, find wherever you saved your APK file. In this case we just downloaded it. Click open. It should then run an install task, and then once complete it should go green just like that. If it does fail and go red, check inside the headset that you've allowed file/folder permissions. Sometimes that pops up. But yeah, that's all for the PC. Let's jump over to the Quest. Okay, now on the Quest, head to your library, change the filter to unknown sources as the VPN app doesn't show in the normal app section, and then give it a moment to load up. If you don't have a NordVPN account, by all means sign up, but I do, so I'll just log in, and then I'll just skip the video so you don't get all my username and passwords. And then in the NordVPN app and your other one, make sure you choose a US based server, and then just confirm it by clicking OK. And then you'll see the connection status top left. Make sure you minimize the app in the top right. Don't hit the cross, otherwise the VPN app will close and you get disconnected. And then by all means head to the store, search for Supernatural. I've got it there, but for the sake of proof of concept I'll just search for it. You should now get it in your results. Click on it, it'll probably say get for you, but I've already clicked on it before, so I can just click install, and it should start downloading. For me, the VPN was sort of bottlenecking my download speed, so I just turned the VPN off for the time being. You only needed it to sort of activate the initial download, and you'll need it when the game runs. But if you turn the VPN off, your download should go a bit faster. As we'll see here, I go from sort of 5 megabits per second to sort of 40, 50. Once the status goes to installing, you're okay to re-enable your VPN now, as we're not needing to download any further data. And then again, make sure you choose a US server and just check that the status is connected. And now we should be okay to go back to our installed applications and filter. And then you can see Supernataural. So we click on that to launch it. Give it a few seconds to load. Once loaded, something important to note, you may end up like a screen like mine where there's already an Athlete user. Most of you shouldn't get this. You should get a login button or a sign up button. Just hit the sign up button and you can use your Meta account to continue. If you do get the screen I just got, just click pair additional account and then sign in with a Supernataural account. If you don't have one prior, I suggest just using your PC or laptop. Go to the website, make the account manually, and then just come back here and sign in. It will all work the same fine. I'm not quite sure why this happened. I had to record probably about 10 times, and this only started halfway through those 10 times, and I couldn't get rid of it. But after you log in, you should then get given sort of a bunch of questions if you want to fill out. I just skip them. And then we should get 2 billing options. By all means, choose the one that suits you best. Click Start Free Trial. And then you'll get given a sort of a payment terminal. You have to use PayPal to check out because of the US lock. All debit/credit cards are blocked that aren't registered in the US. I suggest setting up a PayPal if you haven't already on the mobile. Doing it through the VR was very painful and I wasted sort of 20 minutes trying. Don't do that. Once you've done that and chose that your payment method, just click confirm. And if the checkout is all okay, you should get a little message saying thanks for joining. And there we have it. Supernataural all set up and ready to play outside the US. No idea why they have locked it and still have yet to release it anywhere else, but hey ho, that's what we have. Something worth noting, the VPN needs to be active while the game is running. If it disconnects, it won't end the sort of session that you're currently playing, but when you head back to the main menu, it will warn you that the game's not available in your country and you sort of need to reconnect. If that ever happens, just check your VPN's running. But yeah, other than that, hopefully this was easy to follow. Thanks for watching. Have you got any questions, comments, or constructive feedback? By all means, leave it in the comments below. And I do apologize, video editing is not my forte. Hopefully I improve in time. The rest of the video is just sort of showing proof of concept. The audio got absolutely messed up, so I'm just gonna slam some royalty-free music here so you're not sitting in silence. But thanks for watching and take care.